If you've ever wanted to bring a cartoon critter to life, this tutorial's going to get you moving to do just that. Let's start by opening Adobe Animate CC and creating a new document. Choose a suitable size and frame rate. I'm choosing 1920 by 1080 and 20 for frames per second. Then, in the toolbar, select the oval tool. We'll draw a large oval for the cow's body. Next, with the oval tool selected, create another, smaller oval, for the cow's head positioned above the body. Adjust the color, if desired, to a base cow color, like white or cream. Now, use the selection tool to fine-tune the shape and placement of both the head and body. Let's add the ears. Using the Polystar tool, create two triangle shapes for the ears, positioned on top of the cow's head. Adjust their size and color, maybe a pinkish hue inside the ears. Now, let's add some legs. Using the rectangle tool, draw for rectangular shapes for the legs, position under the body. Consider the shape and color, maybe a combination of white and a darker color for hooves. Add some details. Let's draw two circles for the eyes. Use the pencil tool to add a tail in place and some spots. Color everything and arrange how we like it. To animate, select a few keyframes in the timeline and adjust the cow's pose to create the illusion of movement. Use the tweening features to easily create the animation, and there you have it, a simple, animated cow in Adobe Animate.